Why did I wait so many years to get this tool? G'day folks, it's DIY Guy 123 here bringing you another do-it-yourself video. So here's my new bead blaster. Got it off Amazon, bought it. Not a sponsored video here. You can find the link in my description. And I've not used it on a tire before, so we're learning together. I've got my airline in. I'm charging it up. Once you hear the air stop, you can lock the valve, remove shop air. This button right here is what triggers this big valve, which triggers all the air to shoot out the end right here. You don't want to fool around with that and shoot that at your friend or put your hands in front of it. There's extraordinary compressed air that comes out of this thing. So I kid you not, this is the very first time I've used this on a tire, and I'm expecting it to take a few tries. When I hit the trigger, I expect this to kick back out of the way and let the tire air up. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. Did it hold? Why did I wait so many years to get this tool? That tire would not air up using the integrated bead blaster in the tire machine. I put ratchet straps around it just for fun because I know you'll want to see it. I did get it on there once with some ether and a flame. So here you go. I don't recommend you do this because there's a safety factor involved. I'm going to have air constantly blowing in. Good luck with your do-it-yourself project.